Hey guys, some of you wanted a review on the Makeup Revolution Peach Powder. I've been using it for about 2 days now, and I wanted to really use it before I gave a review. I used it 2 different ways. The first day I used it, I mixed it with the banana powder because I was going to a concert for my husband's birthday. If you follow me on social media, you saw that. I mixed it with banana powder, and it came out really good. But make sure your undertones are like mine, and make sure your undertones are yellow. Make sure you have yellow or peach undertones, because it really works very well. And it's really peach. They have orange. If you look on Ulta and Makeup Revolution's website, they have orange as well. I couldn't find it in Ulta, the store, so I did order it from Ulta.com. So I was able to use my coupons and stuff. You can order from Makeup Revolution's website as well. But I ordered mine from Ulta so I could use my coupon that they have, because for Ulta, that's on the other side of the store where you can use the 3 off 15. The powder's only $8, so you get a lot for $8. You get a lot for $8. I think it works very well. I've used it, like I said, mixed with the banana powder, and then I've also used it just by itself. And it is very peachy is what I'm saying. So make sure your undertones are peach. I used it with the banana powder just to tone down the peach a little bit. And I'm just doing a simple face for work. But I used it with the banana powder just to tone down the peach a little bit, because if you put too much, and depending on what foundation you use, it's very peachy. Is it worth it? Yes, I do love it. If you use Midnight, and there are people that can use the topaz, there are people that can use all other colors. This one is like for us girls that are in between, for us girls with yellow undertones, and we can never find that perfect foundation, or we can never find that perfect powder because we're yellow and everything is so red and everything is so off. That works really well. Really well. Also, you can mix it with, where's my other one? Airspun, like a translucent powder. I don't know where mine is right now. Oh, there. You can mix it with Airspun. You can mix it with like the RCMA translucent powder just to tone down the peach a little bit. And I feel like once you play with this and know how to use it, it's absolutely awesome. For baking, I baked, okay? For the show, when I was getting ready to go to the show, I left it on my face for like an hour, which is the longest I've left baking powder on my face, because I really wanted to see how it did. And it was like great. Like, my face was set, my face was baked, my face lasted all night. My highlight where I baked at was absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. So if you're interested in that powder, you can't be, I'm not going to say you can't. It's really, to me, not for people with like red undertones and stuff, because it is very peachy. If you know how to use the powder, if you're a makeup artist, this is really good to have for when women of my color come your way. I have not seen anyone talk about this color. I have not seen anyone mention it. I just so happened to be on Instagram, and Makeup Revolution, I followed their page, and they had peach, orange, this, and I'm like, maybe I just didn't know, but I haven't seen anybody talk about peach or orange. I haven't seen anybody do a review on peach or orange. I haven't seen anybody, let us know it was out there except them. So I wanted to let you guys know, because had I known that the peach was out there, I would have been on the peach. You know what I'm saying? I would have been tried it. I just had no idea that they had it. So if you had no idea, and I don't really know, and I'll have to look who the orange is for, go to Makeup Revolution's website or Ulta's website and read about it and who should use the orange. But there's probably like stuff out there that we can utilize or use. We don't even know about. Everybody using banana, and midnight topaz and stuff like that. And maybe some makeup artists knew about it. But I'm telling you, I've been in makeup for years. And I don't know if this is something new, but I have never heard of the peach or the orange at all. So I jumped on it. And for $8, I ran to 2 Ultas. Neither one of them had it. I got a free shipping card. If they don't have the item that you want in Ulta, you can get a coupon card from them. So you can order online for free. And they do that when they don't have an item in the store. So I got a free shipping card, and I came home and I got on Ulta's website and I ordered it. And it came in like 2 to 3 days. I was surprised. I thought it was going to take longer. I think it came in like 2 days. I'm trying to use this up because this right here is peach. This is peach setting spray. This is peach setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics. It's so peachy and strong. It gets the job done, but the smell is very, very strong. But anyways, check it out. Ladies, if you're my color, even lighter than me, you know what's in between yellow girls, check it out. Absolutely awesome for $8. Play with it, figure out how to work with it because it is really, really good for your makeup routine. If you have any questions, if I left out anything, y'all put it down below. You know I will answer. I will talk back. Got to get ready for work. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is a thumbs up for me. This is a thumbs up.